Palma de Mallorca. We are stood on board the Sealine SC42 from 2012, but launched in 2013. And what makes this particular option incredibly attractive is the wide beam that is so voluminous that it allows lots of open space, and also one of the biggest soft retractable sunroofs you can get. Come and have a With what feels like two owners' cabins and a separate spa-like shower, this particular example is EU and Spanish Matriculation Tax Paid, which could be the perfect option for you. Please get in contact and we would love to share some more information about the boat.